Okay, so the problem is we have to find the longest common prefix. Okay, uh, from the lead code problem, we are first moving with array problems. Okay, so the question number is different, and we are targeting only easy problems now only. Okay, so we have to find a common prefix amongst the array in this question number 14. From question you can understand that what is prefix. So let's move into the solution part. Here you can see the solutions. I will increase it for you. In first if condition, we check if string is null or string length is 0, then we have to return a simple empty string. Okay, so we check it first. After that, the thinking is like we have to store a string, means we have to store the zero index string in a variable to, means like it is easy to compare in next coming steps. Okay, so we store the string here with that variable prefix. Okay, now we move to, so in this there is stored flower, flower. After that we move into the for loop. Also for loop we start with 1 because in for the zero index we stored in prefix, so it starts with 1, means here flow. Okay, it starts with flow. Now in while condition we check if strings I flow start with prefix flower, it does not match. Okay, it does not match, so in prefix we update with the reduced one character from the last. You can also understand that in substring 0 to prefix dot length minus 1 means 0 to 6 at the first time. Now if we reduce 1 so it becomes 0 to 5, so now it becomes flowe, flower, flower. So it again go to the prefix is updated now. Okay, flowe, no, not that one. It again moves to while condition. It again checks. Also, it not uh, it not matches the flower because flowe. So it again removes the one word from here. Okay. Now it becomes equal. So this flow updated with this one flow in the main string. Okay. After that, it now it becomes I becomes 2, and in 2 we have flight, flight, flight. Okay, now we compare with flow and flight. Now we compare with these two, one flow and flight. We can see that flow and flight, it is not, flow is not start with flight, so we remove one character from here. Now again we move into the while, and it does not start with the same character. Okay, so it becomes fl. Now we can see that fl and flight also, this start with the same string, so now it becomes fl, and it return the fl as the longest common prefix. Okay, you can see that when we run this, submit this problem, it passes all the test cases and beats 100% people. And if you want to understand it better, you can check out this table that I make. Okay, you can pause the video and study this one.